The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He leads me in pastures where still waters run.
Though I walk through the valley, I will not fear. Your rod and your staff, Lord, they draw me near.
For God so loved the world, He gave His only Son, that whosoever believes will find life in Him alone. Eternal hope, eternal peace, in Jesus I believe. The shepherd of my soul has set me free.
You restore my spirit, you guide my way. Your goodness and mercy follow all my days.
You prepare a table, my cup overflows. In the house of the Lord, forever I'll go. For God so loved the world, He gave His only Son, that whosoever believes will find life in Him alone. Eternal hope, eternal peace, in Jesus I believe. The